Poke is a dish from Hawaii. It is prepared with diced raw fish and served with traditional condiments. Nowadays, it is very popular to serve the poke in a bowl with rice and different vegetables. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. Start by washing 3 times. 400 grams of chopped grain rice. Let it soak for 30 minutes. Drain it. Cook it with 40 centiliters of water. Prepare the marinade and topping sauce. For that, put in a small saucepan 1 tablespoon of sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar, 1/4 cup of cooking sake, 1/4 cup of soy sauce. Heat on low heat for 8 minutes. The goal is to thicken the sauce and to intensify its taste. Cut a fire. Grate a piece of ginger. Put 1/2 teaspoon in the sauce. Also add a touch of grated garlic. And 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Cut 400 grams of salmon into cubes. Mix 1 teaspoon of roasted white sesame seeds with 1 teaspoon of roasted black sesame seeds. Mix the salmon with 2 tablespoons of sauce. A pinch of sesame seeds. Put the bowl in the fridge while preparing the other ingredients. Cut a cucumber into thin slices. Mix them with 1 teaspoon of salt to drain off water. Let them rest while continuing the preparation. Boil 10 grams of seaweed in water for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, prepare the vinaigrette. Mix in a bowl 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of white rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. The seaweed has boiled for 10 minutes. Drain them. Rinse them under cold water. Let them drain. Cut them into chunks. Put them in a bowl and season with half the vinaigrette. and a pinch of sesame seeds. Press the cucumber to remove the water. Mix with the rest of the vinaigrette. And a pinch of sesame seeds. Mince a spring onion. Aerate the rice with chopsticks. Serve it in the bowls of the guest. Let it cool a little bit. Cut an avocado into cubes. Take the salmon out of the fridge. Briefly mix. Pour 1 tablespoon of the sauce over the rice. And put on some salmon, some avocado, some seaweed, some cucumber, some pickled ginger. Sprinkle with red chili powder on the salmon. Sprinkle with sesame seeds and the spring onion. My poke bowl is ready. Bon appétit! If this bowl attracts a lot of people, it is because it's delicious, healthy, and balanced. Such a dish will make you feel good. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.